Every pill you take is part of a trillion-dollar empire. Behind the cures, the ads, and the white coats lies a story of control, the story of how healing became business. This is the hidden history of Big Pharma. In the 1800s, medicine was chaos. Snake oil salesmen ruled the streets. Then German chemists discovered real drugs like aspirin and morphine. By the early 1900s, companies like Bayer and Merck transformed healing into industry, with patents, factories, and profits. The age of science had begun, and so had the age of ownership. In the 20th century, medicine and money fused. A few corporations dominated antibiotics, vaccines, and insulin, setting prices and shaping what research got funded. Diseases that couldn't make profit were ignored. Even medical associations began accepting corporate sponsorships. By the 1970s, healthcare wasn't just treatment, it was a market. The cure became a business model. Then came the scandals. From thalidomide in the 1960s, the drug that caused birth defects, to the modern opioid crisis that killed hundreds of thousands. Each time, companies paid fines and moved on. Because for Big Pharma, even lawsuits are a cost of doing business. Today, medicine is high-tech, but the same system still decides who gets treatment and who can afford it. Patents are supposed to reward innovation, but they also block competition. A pill that costs only a few cents to make can sell for hundreds of dollars because one company owns the formula. When the patent expires, prices drop overnight, proving the drug was never truly expensive, just locked behind legal walls. Take insulin discovered a century ago, sold for $1 to help humanity. Yet new patents kept it expensive. Or Viagra $65 a pill before the patent ended, under $2 afterward. The science didn't change, only the ownership did. Research data stays hidden. A single insulin vial can cost more than a week's rent, in a country that invented it a century ago. Science evolved, but control remained. Yet change is coming. Independent labs, open-source medicine, and AI research are breaking the monopoly. The question isn't whether we can cure, it's whether we'll share the cure.